Are you tired of your small TV screen at home? Do you want to bring that amazing cinema quality picture into your home? By 2025, 4K projector technology will be accessible to everyone. Equipped with Ultra HD resolution, HDR support, and laser technology, these devices transform your home into a real movie theater. Today, we'll be reviewing the best 4K projectors. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to stay updated on the latest reviews. Let's get started. Number 5. Epson Pro Cinema LS12000. If you don't want to pay high prices, this is perfect for you. It is a large 23 kilograms laser projector with a 3 LCD system. With a laser light engine and 2,700 lumens of brightness, it delivers impressive HDR image quality even in a dim home theater environment. It can project images up to 130 inches. It features vertical and horizontal lens shift for easy and accurate setup with a projection screen, and has a pair of HDMI 2.1 ports that support 4K 120Hz input. The light engine is a multi-laser diode array. Not only does it enhance the brightness of pure LED designs, but it also runs cool and has a 20,000-hour lifespan. There are no bulbs to replace, and there is no change in color or brightness over time. Plus, with its silent operation technology, you won't hear any annoying fan noise while watching movies, allowing you to focus entirely on the experience. It delivers excellent performance for gamers with its low latency mode, while its dynamic contrast ratio gives you blacks with depth and a wide color gamut for natural, vivid colors. Thanks to the zero rainbow effect feature of 3 LCD technology, you won't experience eye fatigue even after long viewing sessions. Number 4. Sony Bravia Projector 8, powered by native 4K SXRD technology, delivers true 4K resolution at 3,840 by 2,160 pixels. This is not just a numerical value, it signifies a professional imaging system where each pixel is individually controlled. The 3-chip system, powered by newly developed 0.61-inch SXRD panels, uses the same technology as Sony's cinema projectors for color accuracy. The most important feature that sets the Bravia Projector 8 apart from its competitors is the XR processor. This processor is a customized version of the AI-powered image processing technology used in Sony's televisions for projectors. The XR dynamic tone mapping feature analyzes each frame individually to optimize the brightness levels of HDR content. With XR deep black technology, black levels are so deep that you don't miss any details in dark scenes. The XR clear image feature enhances the clarity of both HDR and standard content, allowing you to see even your old movies better. The laser light source with 2,700 ANSE lumens of brightness offers up to 20,000 hours of maintenance-free use. With 4K 120Hz support on consoles like PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X, you can enjoy a high frame rate gaming experience. And thanks to low input lag, you gain an advantage in competitive games. Gaming on screen sizes between 100 and 300 inches offers the most immersive gaming experience after VR. Number 3. Hisense PX3 Pro. Its most revolutionary feature is that it is the world's first designed for Xbox certified ultra short throw projector. The image quality is excellent. Its 3,000 lumens brightness is sufficient for viewing in well-lit rooms. However, when watching in the dark, you may need to lower the laser brightness level of the projector's 3-laser DLP light engine. The PX3 Pro offers comprehensive HDR support, covering Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG formats. On the back, you'll find 3 HDMI ports, one of which is EARC. There is also a high-speed USB Type-A port and both optical digital and 3.5mm audio outputs. With its built-in Google TV feature, the PX3 Pro supports many streaming services, including Netflix, and has both Wi-Fi 6E and Ethernet network connections. Thanks to its ultra-short throw technology, you can place the PX3 Pro just a few inches from the wall to achieve a screen size between 80 and 150 inches. This means you don't need to mount it on the ceiling like traditional projectors. You can simply place it on your living room table. The gaming advantages offered by the PX3 Pro are truly groundbreaking. With 2 HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 48 gigabits per second data transfer, it is fully equipped for 4K 120Hz gaming. Thanks to AI upscaling technology, you can even watch your old movies and TV shows in 4K quality. The technology, powered by the DLP system's 2.07 million micro mirrors, optimizes every frame for maximum clarity. Number 2. Samsung Premier 9. The most revolutionary feature of Samsung's flagship model, the Premier 9, is its triple laser technology. It achieves 3,450 ANSI lumens of brightness using 3 separate laser light sources: red, green, and blue. This is not just a technical number. It means you get excellent image quality even in the brightest daylight hours. Unlike traditional projectors, it does not use a color wheel, so you don't experience the rainbow effect and can enjoy hours of viewing without eye strain. You can place it just a few inches from the wall to achieve a screen size between 80 and 130 inches. This means you don't have to mount it on the ceiling or deal with cables like traditional projectors. With a 20,000-hour laser lifespan, you won't have any maintenance costs for years. With 8 hours of daily use, you won't have to replace the lamp for 7 years. The 40-watt 2.2.2 channel Dolby Atmos speaker system brings the surround sound experience of movie theaters into your home. While most projectors require a separate sound system, the Premiere 9 eliminates this need. With a low input lag of 18 milliseconds, you can play games on your Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5 without lag, while the 4K 60Hz and 1080p 120Hz support delivers a high frame rate gaming experience. Number 1. JVC DLA NZ800. The NZ800, powered by 3rd generation 0.69-inch 4K panels with DLP technology, boasts an impressive native contrast ratio of 100,000 to 1, the most impressive feature in the industry. This is not just a technical number, it means you can see deep blacks and bright whites on the screen at the same time, just as you see them in real life. It upscales true 4K images to 8K resolution, delivering 8,192 by 4,320 pixel images. Its most revolutionary feature is Gen 2 Frame Adapt HDR with Theater Optimizer technology. This system analyzes each frame individually to optimize the brightness levels of HDR content. You can see all the details even in the dark scenes of Stranger Things on Netflix, while daytime scenes are easy on the eyes. With 18-bit gamma processing, color transitions are so smooth that they display even the subtlest tones discernible to the human eye. With 2,700 lumens of BLUE laser brightness, you get a perfect picture even on large screens, while the wide color gamut allows you to see 95% of the colors you see in nature on your screen. The 15-group all-glass lens system projects 8K images with perfect clarity to every corner of the screen. The full aluminum lens body with a special coating that prevents reflections further enhances contrast performance. A projector with an optical system at this level is very rare. With 4K 120Hz and 8K 60Hz support, you can play console games at full capacity on your Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5, while the low input lag makes it perfect for competitive gaming. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, write your favorites in the comments, and subscribe. See you in the next video.